Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have got something special for you. 5 super simple and budget friendly outdoor entrance decoration ideas that will instantly boost your home curb appeal. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or just starting out, these ideas are perfect for everyone. First, let's make home feel super welcoming weathers. First, let's make your home feel super welcoming. Pick a wreath that match your taste. It could have flower or rustic look or be customized just for you. Hang it on your front door and boom, your entrance instantly gets a burst of color and a friendly feel. The cool part, swap it out with the season for a festive vibe all years long. It is an easy fun way to show off your style and make anyone who comes to your door feel right at home. Brighten your path with solar powered lights. These lights are good for the environment and super easy to set up. Just place them along your walkway or garden to make a magical trail to your front door. They are not just practical, they also bring a bit of magic to your outdoor space. A gently glow leading your guests to your entrance, creating a welcoming and enhanced atmosphere. Plus, since they are solar powered, you won't need to worry about electrical bills or complaint installation. It is a simple and charming way to guide your visitor while adding a touch of wonder to your home. Light the way and let the magic begin. Transform your interest by adding some greenery. Try a straightforward and chic DIY planter projects. Pick partners that do well in your local climate and place them in vibrant pots. Strategically position these planters near your entrance for a quick and simple way to bring life and color to your outdoor area. This easy to do project not only enhance your home curb appeal but also create a welcoming atmosphere. So roll up your shelf, get your hands dirty and watch as your entrance come to life with a beauty of nature. It is an effortlessly yet effective way to make your outdoor space more lively and enjoyable for everyone. Never overlook magic of a custom doormat. Picture this as soon as you step on your porch, a doormat with your personal touches welcome you and your guest. You get to choose what is say, maybe a funny saying, your family names, or just a friendly welcome. It is like giving your doorstep a voice. This simple detail might seem small, but trust me, it creates a huge impact. It is the first thing people see when they visit, setting the tone for a warm and inviting vibe. So, why not add your own flair to your entrance with a doormat that speak volumes about you and your home? Finally, let's make your entrance super cozy. Imagine having a couple of comfy chair or a small bench with soft outdoor cushion. That is your new relaxation spot. Throw in a little side table for your coffee mug or a cute lantern to make it extra special. This spot is like your outdoor living room, perfect for enjoying the fresh air and just chilling out. So grab a book, your favorite drink and unwind in this charming space right at your doorstep. It is an easy way to turn your entrance into a welcoming retreat for you and your guest. How awesome is that? And there you have it, 5 easy and affordable outdoor entrance decoration ideas that anyone can pull off. Which one was your favorite? Let us know the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more DIY inspiration, and we will catch you in the next one.